23rd of December, stupid snowstorm. God damn. Well, there's no park for the day at the Caribou Convention Center. Wow. Some kind of a chic hotel. Looky, looky. That's enough adventure for one day, so. There you go. That's what northern Maine looks like. Well, at least there's a doctor center right there. So if I have some kind of an ache, well, I guess they'll fix me. It seems to be, somebody seems to be there. So, very cool. Well, that's all, folks.